From standby mode, press the steam button to start preheating. Pour milk into the frothing pitcher. Make sure not to fill past the spout level. Swing the steam wand over the drip tray. Turn the dial to the steam position. Release any residual water until you see steady steam. Then turn the dial back to the off position to stop. Insert the pitcher under the steam wand. The milk should cover the tip by about 1 centimeter with the pitcher tilted around 15 degrees. Hold the top and base of the pitcher with your left hand. Now turn the dial back to the steam position with your right hand to begin frothing. Keep the steam tip just below the surface. This takes about 5 to 8 seconds. When the milk reaches 60 to 65 degrees Celsius, or the pitcher feels too hot to touch for more than 3 seconds, your froth is ready. Return the dial to the off position. Wipe the steam wand and tip with a clean, damp cloth. Swing the steam wand back over the drip tray. Turn the dial to steam position again and let it run for about 5 seconds to purge any milk residue. Then return the dial to the off position. Wipe the drip tray clean. Now let's create some beautiful latte art with our freshly frothed milk.